Happy Sunday, and I'm thrilled to be back with you live with Inner Wisdom Sunday. So today's card is the Heron. I know we have had the Heron before. It's number 25, and if you look at numerology and you add the two figures, two figures together, the 2 and the 5, it would be 7. A very powerful and spiritual number. And so I'm going to read a little bit about the Heron today for you. As you know, each time I pick a card, it's basically I drop in and feel where we need to go to pick something that is relevant for all of us at this point in time. So herons are beautiful, elegant creatures. Their energy offers us an opportunity to purify ourselves from unwanted disturbances in our subtle bodies. Heron energy is a wonderful, helpful energy to tap into when we are in need of help to dislodge unwanted behavior patterns or any kind of stuck old energy. So this card's so interesting today because I have been considering, and I've actually started reading bits about what our feet tell us, and particularly regarding the liver, and how certain manifestations are connected to the liver, and the liver can be connected to emotions like frustration, irritation, even resentment. And so it's strange because I've been thinking of doing a bit of a detox, and so these thoughts have been coming up regarding the liver. And now we have the Heron, which is around releasing and clearing and letting go of any toxic, maybe thoughts, feelings, emotions, or even toxic environments in your life. If the Heron resonates with you as a symbol, then you are most likely someone who works in some kind of cleaning capacity. So energetically, we can be cleaning and clearing, even while we're sleeping. You are rinsing off the grime to let in more light. Dirt in any form, whether it be in the physical realm or in the subtler levels of life, drags down the vibrational rate so that light is less able to express itself fully. Cleansing and purification rituals are therefore not empty forms of religion, but extremely effective ways of raising the vibrational level of someone or something so that more of its spirit can reveal itself. And this, I know I've spoken many times about our time and what we're going through right now, but very relevant to today's environment and our path forward. We are going through a transformation as a universe, as a people of all nations. So in a reading, choosing the Heron today, whether in answer to a question or as a daily reading, is a call to purify yourself. Maybe you're being prepared for a major shift in consciousness, or maybe you have allowed an accretion of too much old energy to build up in your system. It may signal a need to look at your diet, perhaps a detoxifying regime is needed. Whatever needs lightening up right now, it's time to have a good look at this, start bringing in tools that can help clear this. Remember, our focus, our thoughts have power. Where we focus, where our attention goes, our energy flows. So that is my message for you today. Take some time to have a lovely salt bath, if that's your thing, or swim in the ocean. That salt water is very cleansing and clearing. Take some time to use rituals like burning to release or clear anything that doesn't feel aligned for you. And some time to just reflect. So if meditation is one of your things, take some time to just close your eyes and focus on your breath going in and out. You may want to take a deep breath in and pause and hold it for a while, and then release up to the crown and pause and hold on the out breath. You can do this 10 times today. Try evening and then morning again. In fact, I would recommend this ritual, the breath, for the duration of the week until I meet again with you next week. If you want to receive notifications of Inner Wisdom Sunday, please click below and subscribe and hit the bell for to have notifications or to be alerted to the notification. I look forward to seeing you next week and hope you have a fantastic week. Sending lots of love. Bye now.